In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make images move with keyframe animation in CapCut PC. And to get started, drag your image layer first onto your timeline, then select it. And now for the zoom effect, move the playhead at the beginning of the video. So in my case, I just decrease the size like this. So I just adjust the slider for scale. Then next is add keyframe for scale and position. And now move the playhead just a bit. And this time, increase the scale by dragging the slider to the right. You can also move your object wherever you want it to be. And for a smoother transition, right click on the latest keyframe and click on Show Variable Speed Animation. And here, select Auto Curve. And now we're just going to move the playhead just a bit. And here, we're just going to add a keyframe for position. Then next is move the playhead just a bit forward. And now move your image from left to right, wherever you want it to be. So now we're just going to move the playhead just a bit. Now for the spin animation, here all you have to do is add a keyframe for scale and rotate. The next is move the playhead just a bit forward. And here just adjust the scale and rotate values as much as you want. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.